suppose you want to update the counter when these buttons are pressed. Minus for decrement, plus for increment. So, you declared a variable for storing the count, and when the plus button is pressed, you are calling a function that is increasing the value by 1, and when minus is pressed you are calling a function that is decreasing the value by 1. Now, everything should work. Let's see the results. This will not work in React. Let's print the value to check if the value is changing or not. Yes, it is increasing and decreasing, but it's not displaying. Let me explain why it won't work. When first rendered, React displays the initial data. When you change any data in React, then it changes the data but does not display it, because it needs to re-render the UI. Here comes the UseState hook. When we use this, we can tell React to re-render when a value is changed. Let's implement it. First, import the UseState hook from React. Remove or comment the counter variable. Then type const, then we will use array destructuring to grab two values that this hook returns us. First, value will be the initial value. We can give any name to it, and the second value is a function which we can use to change the value of this state. Most of the time you are gonna see it will be set then whatever we named the value. So, in this case set counter. Next, equal sign, and UseState hook, in the parenthesis give the initial value that is 0. Now, when changing the value we are going to write, set counter then, parenthesis, inside parenthesis, increase the counter by 1. And, for decreasing the value, we are going to follow the same rule, set counter parenthesis minus counter by 1. Now, it should work. Here you can see that the counter is increasing, and decreasing the value and also displaying it perfectly. So, you can use this UseState hook as many times you want in a React component. That's all about React UseState hook. And make sure to like and subscribe because these videos take much time to create.